Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, let's begin with this question. In this question, one unbalanced equation is given, that is H2 plus Cl2, it will giving the HCl gas. So in the question, mass of H2 gas is given, which is equals to 5.00 gram, and mass of Cl2 gas is given, which is equals to 125 gram. And in this question we have to find out the mass of the HCl produced. So firstly, in order to find out that, firstly we have to write down the balanced equation here. So in order to write down the balanced equation, on the reactant product side both will have the same number of moles, so there is same number of atoms on the both sides. So now here there is a 2 atoms of hydrogen, there is a 2 atoms of chlorine and 1. So the balanced equation is H2 gas, 1 mole of H2 gas, 1 mole of chlorine gas. They will result to form the 2 moles of HCl gas. So now in order to find out the amount of the HCl produced, firstly we have to find out the moles. So moles can be calculated by using the formula of mass upon the molar mass. So now firstly, the moles of the hydrogen gas H2 is equals to, its given mass is 5.00 gram and its molar mass is 2.016 gram per mole. So its moles comes to be 2.480 moles. Now we have to find out the moles of the Cl2. So this can be calculated. Here the given mass is 125 gram and its molar mass is 70.906 gram per mole. So now its moles comes to be 1.762 moles. Now here if we see in the reaction, there is a 1 mole, both have 1 mole. So here the Cl2 is the limiting reagent here, because it will have the lesser number of moles. So now from this limiting reagent we can find out the moles of the HCl. So now if we see balanced equation, 1 mole of Cl2, it will be producing the 2 moles of the HCl. So from here 1.762 moles of Cl2, this will produce the 2 multiplied by 1.762 moles of the HCl. So here we get the moles of HCl. So this value is equals to, this is equals to 3.524 moles. Now we have the moles. From moles we can find out the mass. So mass of HCl is equals to the moles of the HCl multiplied by the molar mass of the HCl. So now let's substitute the values in this. So now here the moles of HCl is equals to, this is equals to 3.524 moles multiplied by the molar mass of HCl is equals to 36.458 gram per mole. So now when we solve this, we get the mass of HCl. So the mass of the HCl comes to be 128.477 gram. I hope this video is useful for you to understand this problem. Thank you.